As we all know that South African List A tournament Momentum Cup has been finished and we have two shared winners. One is Lion, the other one is Dolphin. Let's talk about this tournament. Let's talk about the stats. Who is the winner? Who is loser? Let's talk in this video. Dolphin has highest score by a team of 290 for 8 against Knight. They are followed by Cape Cobras, Dolphins, Warriors and Lions. Largest victory by run is 81 runs of Warrior against Cape Cobras. Second one is 76 runs of Dolphins against Titans. Largest victory by wickets is Lion beats both Cape Cobras and Warrior by 6 wickets. Journeyman Malan from Cape Cobras is the leading run scorer in the tournament with 232 runs. He is followed by Dominic Hendricks, Grant Relofsson, Nicky Vandenberg and Delano Potgater. Ryan Rickleton from Lions has highest score of 109 runs against Cape Cobras. He is followed by JJ Smith, Delano Potgater, Journeyman Malan and Grant Relofsson. Journeyman Malan from Cape Cobras has highest average of 77.33. He is followed by Ryan Rickleton, Sanuran Muthusamy, Delano Potgater and Dominic Hendricks. Ryan Rickleton from Lions and JJ Smith from Warriors has scored century in the tournament. Any other player has century. Journeyman Malan from Cape Cobras and Dominic Hendricks from Lions both have 3 half centuries. No other batsman has more than them. Marcus Ackerman from Dolphin has most number of ducks of 2. No other batsman has more ducks than him in the tournament. Delano Potgater from Lions has most number of sixes of 7 in the tournament, followed by Ayabulela Kamame and Christian Jonker. Robbie Freling from Dolphins has best strike rate of 113.15, followed by Ryan Rickleton, Bijon Fortin, Ayabulela Kamane and Delano Potgater. Dominic Hendricks and Delano Potgater from Lions has best partnership of 156 runs against Warrior. Sisanda Magala from Lions is leading wicket taker in tournament of 8. He is followed by Imran Manak, Bijon Fortin and Onke Nyaku. Onke Nyaku from Cape Cobras has best bowling spell of 4 from 29 against Lions. He is followed by Mthivkhaya Nabi, Ethan Bost, Othniel Bartman and Rudy Second. Rohan De Swart from Titans has best bowling average of 16.2. He is followed by Robbie Freling, Aaron Fungiso, Mthivkhaya Nabi and Sisanda Magala. Robbie Freling from Dolphins has best economy rate in the tournament of 3.29. He is followed by Aaron Fungiso, Mulasi Siboto, Glenton Stuerman and Sinoran Muthusamy. Rohan De Swart from Titans has best strike rate of 21.0. He is followed by Sisanta Magala, Mthivkhaya Nabi, Onke Nyaku and Bijon Fortin. Ferrusco Adams from Knights has conceded most runs in a single inning. He conceded 71 runs and got 2 wickets against Dolphins. Peter Malan from Cape Cobras has most dismissal as a wicketkeeper in the tournament of 5. He is followed by Mangaliso Masaila, Senethamba Koshail, and Nicky Vandenberg. Lela Kamame from Warriors has most catches as a fielder of 6. The second one is Rayandi Swart from Dolphins with 4 catches.